Hi guys, so we're back and we're going to be using template number 1, and instead of using all 4 layers of the template, we're going to be using 3 layers. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to curl my petals. So just curl them back and I hold it in place for a little while. With these last 2, I like to use a regular glue stick. Just hold it in place. And then we are going to cut down the middle, and we're going to go about 1/3 of the way. Going 1/3 of the way makes the flower, makes the petals stand up higher, and I like that look for this template. This is okay because this part isn't seamed, so if you get like jagged edges, it's fine. I just like stacking them all together to make sure that, I like cutting them all together to make sure that each one is the same, to have a uniform. So I'm going about 1/3 of the way. And now we're going to glue them. For these tutorials, I'm in my room at my craft desk, and this is where I'm doing these tutorials for you. But normally, if I wasn't recording, I would be on the couch, in my bed. You know, I'll be in my bed with my laptop on to a TV show, or I'll be in the living room on the couch watching a TV show. Or if I'm in this room on this desk, I would have music playing on my phone, but I'm using my phone to record right now. So like, you can pretty much craft anywhere, but a word of advice, if you're going to craft on your bed or even on the couch, be prepared for a cleanup. I've messed up plenty of sheets due to hot glue gun. Well, not this one specifically, but a bad hot glue gun. This one is actually good. I wish I had this in my days of crafting on the bed. Would have saved lots of sheets. Okay, so in part 1 of this, I did a red flower with this template, and this is the same base. It's a little bit too big. You can easily remedy it by just cutting, you know, cutting it smaller. I'm going to show you what you can do big base like this. So I'm just going to place some glue on the bottom, and instead of coming up to the edge, I'm going to go more down. You can see how far down I went, because this is a bigger. And also, I didn't have any more yellow cardstock, but I did have yellow colored like computer weight paper. So this is what I'm using. You can even use that as a base, and it's working out pretty fine. So if you see it flip up like that, it's because this is not cardstock. Okay, and then you just place the next one close together. Just use that as your guide. And as you can see, as we're going around, it's not flipping up as much. Now, while that worked, I still need to add some glue to make it a little bit sturdier. So just add some glue there. To tell where you need to add the glue, you can just place them close together and see, okay, like right here is where I need to put glue. Close together, and then just mark, okay, right there with my fingers. And I'm just going to go around doing that. Just to make it a bit sturdier. Okay, and now our second layer. Placing it in between these two flowers, petals. Okay, so when lifted, good to make sure that you have enough glue and also that you're pressing and holding it down after you're gluing. All the way around. You really can't make a mistake with these flowers, because even a mistake can turn out beautiful. And who's to say it was a mistake? That could be your new way of doing things. I don't like how this one sticks up so much. The reason why it's doing that also is because I should have tucked it under that first one. That would have been one way to remedy it. Another way can be, since it's already like this, place a little bit of glue on that little tip right there, and then make it stick down. Just hold it into place because it's going to want to lift. And now it's a little bit better. Okay, now this last layer, I'm definitely only going to do this left side. It's the left side when you turn it around. It's the right side from the front facing. It's only did half because I'm going to tuck that last petal underneath the first. All the way around. Okay, so this last petal is going to be tucked under that first one. And voila. Okay, and I'm going to add a center. This center was cut out using machine. It was designed to be cut out using like a Cricut or Silhouette or any one of those die cutting machines. But if you had the time and patience, you probably could cut it out by hand. So I'm just pushing them to the center. And I'm going to place a dab of glue and place it in the middle. Just go back a bit. I'm putting 2 layers. Don't let it flow back. Okay, so here we have it. This is using 3 layers. Making template number 1 using 3 layers. And I'll just show you for comparison. Gonna make this go a little bit higher. For comparison, that is the 4 layer. The red is the 4 layer. The 3 layers are the yellow. Thanks for watching.